What's up, friends? Welcome back to the channel. Friday, March 21st, and we are back at Costco with another great video. Take your shoes off, relax, because we have 27 crazy deals that you need to see. And let's not waste any time and get into the video. In the number one spot from Babyliss, we have their Pro Nano Titanium Hair Dryer. Now this is the original price here at $69.99. They just marked it on clearance, almost 50% off. It's very powerful at 1,875 watts. You have 2 different heat settings and 3 different speed settings. It even has that true cold shot button. That way you can lock in those different hairstyles. Now what's included in this box set, you get 2 concentrator nozzles, 1 diffuser, 1 straightening pick. They have it here on display. You got that infamous Babyliss blue. You can see right there. It looks pretty great. Now what's also great about this hair dryer, has a very long power cord, 9 feet in length to be exact. That's very powerful. Plug it in. You can walk out of the bathroom while doing your hair, yell at your kids, go back in the bathroom and finish it. $39.97. And the bottom right corner, I am going to leave the item number for every single item on today's video. In the number 2 spot from Cat, also known as Caterpillar. Now this company is known to make heavy equipment such as excavators, backhoes, 416s, loaders, etc., even generators. Now this is their tie-down ratchet strap set. We have a 4-pack here. These are great. They're extra wide, 1.5 inch wide. These are super nice. They have the reinforced edges. They even have the double J hooks, which is great. Now these are on clearance here at Costco. Like I said, you get a 4-pack here for $19.97. Now in the aisle directly behind me, we do have a couple of specials. I do want to show you a couple of clearance items, shall I say. Now this one directly in front of us in the number 3 spot from Bridgeport Designs, we have their floor lamp. Very bright floor lamp. It has been marked down to a manager special, has a nice steel construction, that beautiful black finish, 7 LED color options to choose from. Now it does include a nice magnetic remote, which they didn't have on display, but the light, as you can see, is pretty bright. Now it also includes batteries, everything you need to operate it right out of the box. It's 69 inches in height, which is pretty nice. Check out that price, $14 even. Anything here at Costco that ends in a 00 is a manager special specifically to that warehouse. And right next to it from Intertech in the number 4 spot, we have our LED color changing rope lights. Now these rope lights do come in a 2-pack. Each length of rope light is 18 feet in length. We also get included a nice remote control, which is great. They have 12 different color settings and 8 different animations. These are pretty great. They took forever to go on clearance, but here they are at Costco, $19.97. I did provide the item number in the bottom right corner. In the number 5 spot from Traumatina, we have their 11-piece ceramic bakeware set. Now this set is oven safe up to 500 degrees. It's also free of PFAS, which is great. Now it does have a durable ceramic non-stick interior, and the body on these are aluminized steel body. We can see here on display that the edges are rolled, which is great as well. Now they are dishwasher safe. We have 3 different color variants to choose from. We have white, we have green, and we also have cream. Now you can pick up this set at Costco.com for $47.99. Here at the warehouse on clearance, $39.97. And let's move on, friends, to the number 6 spot, this time from Nordic Wear. To my left, we have their Naturals, their 3-piece bacon sheet set. Now, it does include a lid. Now, these are oven safe and broiler safe up to 500 degrees. Now, what exactly is included in this set? You get 2 sheets and 1 pan. These are both half-sided sheets. As we can see here, 1 sheet is a high-sided, 1 sheet is a standard size, and a lid is included. You don't actually get 3 sheets, even though we're looking at 3. You get 2 sheets and 1 lid, 3 pieces, $19.97. It's also available at Costco.com for $33.99. If you are in the market for a new TV, in the upcoming weeks, we're going to start seeing a lot of clearance here at Costco when it comes to TVs. Now this one right in front of us, the Samsung, the Q72D series, it's on clearance here at Costco. Now I did put out a video last week explaining the top 20 best TVs you can buy here at Costco. If you're unsure what to buy, watch that video. I do explain what's the top 20 best TVs you can buy. Now remember, friends, by no means am I a TV expert, but the list is very accurate with the top 20 TVs you can buy here at Costco. The Q72D series here at Costco, $749.97 on clearance. It's already begun. In the number 8 spot, a lot of people have been waiting for this one. We have the Nintendo Switch. The Joy-Cons are now available on clearance. Now here we only have one different color option. We have the orange and we have the purple. Now this is for the Nintendo Switch, so if you are going to pick it up, just keep that in mind. Now these are finally on clearance for $49.97. They're only available here at the warehouse, so if you don't have them, unfortunately, you're probably not going to be able to get it unless your local warehouse has it. Now here it is on clearance, $49.97. Now just around the corner from Cyber Power, we have their battery backup in the number 9 spot. Let's go take a walk and have a look at that next. Now here it is directly in front of us. So for those of you who work from home, maybe you have an electronic device that you can't afford to lose power, this is a great product to own, especially if you don't have a generator. If you lose power in your home and you can't afford for any electronic disruption, this unit or this battery backup will kick on. That way you do not lose power and there's no interruption. Maybe it's a medical device, maybe it's a computer, maybe you're doing something for work. And this does have 1,350 amps. It's a great battery backup. It has a surge protector built in. It's on clearance for $99.97. In the number 10 spot, now from Qtopia, we have their plush little assorted Marvel characters here. Now these are pretty great. They're great for the ages of 3+. They're 20 inches in height. We have the Spider-Man, we have the Spidey here, 3 different available ones. Now the Spider-Man's pretty cool. I like that one. Now it's available at Costco.com for $27.99. Here at Costco on clearance for $19.97. Now, as most of you know, in the number 11 spot, the Campbell air compressor has finally dropped in price. Here it is at $99.97. Now, this is a very quiet air compressor at 65 decibels. It operates on 120 volts. It has 125 max PSI, so that's pretty decent. Not the greatest. It is oil-free, the compressor pump. That means it's a low-maintenance compressor pump, which is great. Here it is on display. Not too heavy, has wheels on the back, which is great. Now, I do like how it's only at 65 decibels, so it's not too loud. You can crank this up in your house. It's pretty great if you're doing any kind of work. Here it is on sale, on clearance finally, a clearance drop at $99.97. It's also available at Costco.com for the same exact price. If you are new to the channel, this is your first time tuning in, every Friday I do like to show you the clearance deals here at Costco. I also like to show you the discontinued deals as well. So if you haven't seen any of those videos, you can go back and watch them. Every week I try not to show you repeat items, so make sure you go back and watch last week's clearance deals. I also show you the clearance deals available at Costco.com. Those deals are also amazing as well. In the number 12 spot from Duracell, we have their 1500 lumen work light. Now I'm showing this product again because we have a nice price drop. Now these do come in a 3-pack. They have a rotating base. They come with a rechargeable lithium ion battery, which is included. They have that magnetic attachment, so if you're working underneath a car, you can attach it right to it with the magnetic base. Now it also comes with a nice carabiner clip, so if you're walking at night or maybe you're walking through the woods, you're hiking, you can attach it right to your backpack or your jeans. $14.97. In the number 13 spot, we have the faux 12-inch Hydrana arrangements. Now these arrangements look very, very real. They have that real touch pedals. Even the glass vase that's included, they have faux water in it. It gives the illusion of real water. They look very, very realistic. I love these. I did pick them up myself. We have a manager special at my local warehouse for $19 even. Anything that ends in a 00 is a manager special specific to that local warehouse. So definitely pick up that product. Usually it's about at least 50% off, and these look very great, as you can see. Not bad at all for $19. So if you didn't know, every week Costco does put out new deals. I like to record those, and I do like to call them the flash deals for the week. Here's a video I just put out the other day. We have the Ring camera. Go back and watch that video. A lot of those deals are valid to the 31st. We have the Ring security camera bundle system in the number 14 spot. Now this was part of my video the other day, the flash deals for the week. I do put out those videos every Monday, sometimes a little bit later in the week, but here you can pick up this bundle camera system for $189.99. Off to the number 15 spot from Lego this time, we have the Lunar, the New Year, the Good Fortune. Now this Lego set does have 1,021 pieces. This is great for the ages of 9+. This is a great Lego set. The original price was $68.88. The lucky number 8s. Today it's on clearance finally here at Costco. Let's check out that price, $39.97. In the number 16 spot, this time for Rowenta, we have their Ultimate Plus. Now this is their steam iron. It's great. You can use the steam either vertically or horizontally. It even has a nice auto off feature, so when the iron is left unattended, it will automatically shut off. Now the blue and black combination looks great with that stainless steel. The sole plate is scratch resistant, as you can see there. Looks pretty nice. It has that easy refill with that transparent water tank, which is another great feature. Now it does have a very powerful boost of steam. It has over 400 active holes on it. That way you get a nice even steam distribution on clearance for $34.97. In the number 17 spot, another manager special at my local warehouse, we have the Bayside Everly. Now this is their 72-inch accent cabinet. Now it does have soft close cabinet hinges, which is great. Here it is on display. It's made out of popular solids and composite wood, has that beautiful birch veneer. Now we've gone over this cabinet probably about 3 times on my channel. What I've never noticed was that sturdy steel base on it. I don't know, for some reason I thought it was on legs. I don't know, I can't remember now. But anyways, the finish on it is hand applied. It's on clearance for $249 even. In the number 14 spot for Mikasa, we have the rechargeable 14-inch LED lamps. Now these lamps are pretty nice. They have touch controls, and we do get a set of 2 per box. Now I do like these a lot. I wish they had the brass ones available, but unfortunately at my local warehouse, all we have is the black. Now these are still great. I may pick them up at this price point. Now these lamps are portable. That's what I love about them. There's no cords. They operate off battery. They have a nice run time from 9 to 40 hours, depending upon what brightness level you set them on. Now these are very cool. They're priced on a manager special at $24 even. In the number 19 spot, we have the Universal Broadmoor right in front of me. Now this is their Pelham swivel desk. Not a hot seller here at Costco. It did sell online. It was on clearance for $499.97. Now here, this desk is made out of rubber wood solids. Also has that birch veneer. Has that swivel mechanism, so the desk does rotate out. Has 4 different storage cubes, adjustable levers. But check out that price. It was on clearance for $499.97. Check it out now. Only $75, a manager special. What a steal. Here we have in the number 20 spot, we have the very popular Mohawk. This is the Garage Floor Runner. Now this runner is pretty great. The original price, I believe, was $29.99. Either that or $24.99. I can't remember. But this is a great garage floor runner. If you need one, definitely pick it up. It's very heavy duty. That's what I like about it. You can take it outside. You can clean it. You can wash it. Pretty nice rug here. It's only $19.97. You can't go wrong. I did pick this up myself. A great clearance price at $19.97. Oh, it is 3 feet by 8 feet. In the number 21 spot, we have the very popular Fortessa. Now, these are their Jupiter cereal bowls. Now, they do come in a set of 6. Now, they've been trying to get rid of these bowls for quite some time now, and they're still having trouble. We have the clear here, and we also have the green. Even though they look smoked, they're actually called green. So we have one set of the clear left, $9.97. Now, they do have the green here on display. Looks a little bit more green with the light hitting it a certain way, but these are great little cereal bowls, great quality. Everybody loves the Fortessas. Now, here they are, $9.97, a nice clearance drop. In the number 22 spot, what's a Costco video without some throw blankets? We have 3 different throw blankets to choose from, all from Life Comfort. So the first one we have is the Teddy, 60 by 70 inches, $6.97. That's a price drop, also available at Costco.com. Right in front of us now we have the textured faux fur. This is also from Life Comfort, 60 by 70 inches, $12.97. And finally, we have the Sherpa fleece blanket, also from Life Comfort, $14.97. You can pick that up at Costco.com as well. In the number 23 spot from Wall, we have the Deluxe Performance Hair Cutting Kit. Now this kit finally dropped on clearance, and the other day I did show everyone the discontinued deals here at Costco, and I do explain into depth why you should know the discontinued deals, what exactly is a discontinued deal, and why you should know them. If you want these great clearance prices, you need to watch that video. Next time you head to Costco, definitely be aware of what's on clearance and what's going to be discontinued. Here you can pick this Wall Deluxe kit up for $19.97. In the number 24 spot for the ladies, we do have the Columbia Lowland Ultra Jackets. Now these jackets did have a nice decent amount of quality to them. I pretty much liked them. We had white, blue, and black available at my local warehouse. Now these are kind of like a spring jacket, super lightweight, a great windbreaker. I don't think they're water resistant. They do have an adjustable storm hood, interior security pockets, and they even had zipper pockets as well. You can pick it up at Costco.com. They have the black and the blue ones available there. Now these do look pretty good in my opinion. I like them a lot. Now I do like the price even better, even though it's right there to my left, the Columbia, not the Steve Madden, $19.97. So I did walk around Costco looking at some wine. I found a couple of clearance wines. This one from Chronicle Cellars. We do have their red blend. Very nice wine. Their Purple Paradise. It's on clearance here at the warehouse. Check out that price. Now I do know a lot of Costco's do not sell liquor. So if you don't, unfortunately, I'm sorry, but you can pick this bottle up for only $8.97. And just around the corner from Prisoner Unshackled, we have the Sauvignon Blanc, their California white wine, $12.97 on clearance, 2021. It's crisp acidity with a soft but rich mouthful. It has that ripe pineapple, crisp pear, and gooseberry finish. This is on clearance for $12.97. Now I do know most of you may not have this wine at your local warehouse, but I did leave the item number in the bottom right corner, so you can call Costco and find out if you do have it available. And as most of you know, I do like to cover everything here at the warehouse, and I do have one more wine for you, the last product for today's video. In the number 27 spot, again, we have the Prisoner's Wine Company, the red pack, the variety pack. We have 5 different blends here. It's a California wine. Now these are full bottle blends, $144.97 on clearance. This is a great pack to pick up, especially for those occasions that you do want to celebrate. Alright friends, end of the video here. If you did enjoy today's video, make sure you subscribe to our channel. Don't forget about our giveaway and follow us over on Instagram at Watch the Deal Finder. I am going to give instructions on the giveaway right now. And just a quick announcement, friends, we are doing a new giveaway. We have this super cool Lego suitcase and backpack, and it's very easy to enter. I am going to leave a link in the description. All you have to do is make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you have Instagram, follow me there too. Make sure you like, comment, and share my posts. Watch my Costco videos, watch my Sam's Club videos, and do not forget to watch my Amazon videos, because starting today, March 6, 2025, my Amazon videos will have a secret code. Grab that secret code, enter it into the giveaway, and you will get an additional 3 entries. The giveaway does end April 1st, 2025. Good luck, everyone. Back to the video.